Hey, Adam here with Georgia Spa Company. Today we want to share some tips on initial startup. There are two parts to an initial startup that you need to look at. First is the initial fill of the hot tub, and when going into this, we have some different filter compartments with multiple filters or down to a single filter. If you have multiple filters in your hot tub, you want to choose the filter that has the gray cap. We are filling through the filter compartment to minimize the issue of an airlock and fill through the plumbing first. So make sure that we are putting the hose in the filter compartment to fill. When filling the hot tub, you want to make sure that the water level goes above the uppermost jet and below the pillows that are in your hot tub. This will give you optimum fill for the best experience. Once you're done filling the hot tub, you need to go to your sub panel, turn on the breakers, and the hot tub will run through the initial startup procedure. Once the hot tub's main menu comes up, then you can set your initial desired temperature and wait for it to heat. Thank you for joining us on this video today. We also want you to look at the rest of the videos we have for initial startup of water care balance chemicals and your particular system. If you have any questions, you could always reach out to us via phone number or email, or you can visit us online at georgiaspaccompany.com.
Bringing relaxation home, right where I want to be.